Hey friends, let's talk about affordability. This is a great little 3-bedroom, 2-bath house. It was listed for $350, but we got it for $315. Let's go in and take a look. Come in the entranceway. There's a closet, 2-car garage, the main hallway. You have a bedroom here with a great closet. They share this bathroom. And then you have the front bedroom, great outdoor lighting. You have a linen closet here. Great laundry room with a door. Kitchen, lots of cabinets, and then you have a sitting area. The living room is big. You can mount the TV there or there, either place. And then the main bedroom is on this side. Big, nice bedroom, ceiling fan. And here you've got pantry shelving, shower, 2 sinks, got the water closet, and a big walk-in closet here. This is a great house at $315. If you like it, give me a call. I'll show you how we can get it.